In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to give extra time to a student in a quiz. So there may be timed quizzes where students are allowed, let's say, 30 minutes for the exam or the quiz. However, for particular students with special needs, they may need time and a half. To do that, we go here to the quiz activity and notice that this one has a 30-minute time. To create an override, we need to click here on More and then click on Overrides. Then we select Add a User Override and then search for the student, either by clicking on the drop-down and picking the particular student or searching by name. You could allow them to take the quiz at a different time from other students, or in our case, we wanted to give them time and a half. So this would be 45 minutes. And then press Save, and that's all you have to do to allow a student extra time or additional accommodations for the particular quiz.